Sometimes you may not want to be still in meditation. Perhaps you want to be outside and connect with nature, breathe in the fresh air, and also practice meditation. Today, I will guide you to practice a walking mindfulness meditation. You can use this guide as a place to start. Then, practice on your own if you find value from this type of meditation. Hello and welcome to the Mindful Movement. If you're new here, I'm Sara Raymond, and if you have practiced with me before, welcome back. If possible, practice this meditation outside where there is an ability to walk freely without concern for physical hazards. If this is not an option, you can practice this indoors, even if you have to continuously circle around the perimeter of a small room or pace back and forth. Ideally, adjust the volume of this recording so that you can hear me and also still hear the sounds of the space around you. Begin by setting an intention to allow your experiences to arise without assigning judgment to what you notice. This is a practice of observing what the present moment is offering. This is a practice of noticing. This is a practice of acceptance. Before moving forward, check in with your body and get a sense of what it feels like to stand tall in this moment. Invite a deep breath in and a calming sigh as you breathe out. Take a glance around the horizon or the room you are in, and notice how your body is situated relative to the scene that surrounds you. On your next breath, begin to slowly walk forward. Move in rhythm with your breath. Inhale for one step and exhale for the next step, so that you have a fairly slow and relaxed pace. Allow a natural pace to settle in. Observe how your heel encounters the surface below you. Notice how your foot rolls through with your stride. Make note of any changes in your relationship with the ground. Maybe there is a weight shift from the outside of your heel, moving inwards towards your big toe. Take a moment to consider the surface below your feet. Is it natural or is it human created? perhaps consider how it got there if it is human created. Notice the view as it changes from within your peripheral sight. Observe how the image is created in concert by your eyes and your mind, and it is ever changing. It seems to flow as you are navigating the space in front of you. Colors and shapes appear in real time, just as our thoughts seem to arise and pass with an effortless flow. Notice what draws your attention. What sounds are sifting through? What in the distance finds your focus? Observe the movement of your body, the swinging of your arms, notice how your clothes feel on your skin as subtle pushes and pulls are put in motion from the well-seasoned program of your gait pattern. Can you sense the oh-so-delicate push and pull movements? Can you sense the air passing through your fingers as your arm swings like a pendulum? Allow your attention to rest on the environment around you now. Look to where the sky begins. Is it closer than you may have considered? What are the various colors in your environment? Simply notice the beauty around you. Begin to slow your pace, and when you get to a safe place to come to stillness, stop and check in with yourself. Notice how you are feeling in this moment with acceptance. You set the intention at the beginning of this practice to allow your experiences to arise without assigning judgment to what you notice. Continue this observation for a moment longer in stillness. This is a practice of observing what the present moment is offering. This is a practice of noticing. This is a practice of acceptance. When you feel ready to go on with your day, perhaps consider welcoming this practice of mindful awareness to continue. My voice can go with you wherever you go as a reminder to observe, notice, and accept your present moment experience. Thank you for practicing with me. I hope you have a peaceful day.